Hey TikTok, good morning. So it's been a few days since I posted anything about the magnificent marble machine. Been keeping busy, lots of stuff to print. I'm only part way through it, but let me show you what I've got so far. Right, so here's the pile of parts that I've collected so far, and you can see that I've been carefully labeling everything with what it is. With over 150 plus parts, I'm going to have to somehow keep track of all of these. So here's one of the parts. This is the stair lift, and the bearings or the marbles will be rolling in here, and there'll be a motor that will turn this, and that will lift the bearings up to the top of this ladder. And you can see there was a lot of filament put into this. We got purple, some of the red, and then I had this berry color up here. And here we have one of the Planetary Gears. This is all the parts for this one, and I've been really stoked about how nicely these have been printing. Nice and clean, dimensionally accurate. And here we have some of the larger parts of the machine. And again, I've labeled everything. Like for instance, this is a motor mount cap. And again, if you look at these, everything is coming out really, really nice. You can see my gyroid infill pattern in here. And even parts like this with these pins came out really clean, really nice. But in order to get this level of accuracy and to print this clean, my printer has to run very, very slow. I think I'm at about 17 millimeters per second. Super slow, but it's paying off. These are really nice parts, and to think that they've come from just plastic bottles is kind of amazing. Now, in printing all these parts, I'm quickly running out of filament. Empty, 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 empty. Got a little green left, got some blue left. Right now I'm printing with this yellow, but I have a lot more parts to print and not enough filament. And here we have some of the 1-gallon water bottles that a friend of ours gives us. These are what I use to make my filament. There's 11 more of them here I have to process, but in kind of roughing things out, I'm going to need about 50 more before I'm going to be able to complete this marble machine. So hopefully over the next few videos, I will be able to show you how I process these bottles into my colored filament. So stay tuned for that.